Okay, here we have Johnny Boy 76 about ready to eat a whole jalapeno. Let's look at the jalapeno. There it is. Whole jalapeno.
Not
I know
pickled,
a lot of people have already done this.
Pickled, raw.
But John hasn't done it before. This first time. He's a whole jalapeno virgin.
Okay, I took this thing off. Kinda regretting this. Alright. Ready?
Yummy. Now shove the whole thing in there.
Okay.
There we go. No video editing. Still chewing. Chewing and not swallowing until the very end. It's very exciting. Just proving that he actually chewed it. No video editing. Just chewing away.
Almost gone. Oh. Alright.
That wasn't very entertaining. We should probably stick to blowing things up.
Okay. Is the video still going?
Yep.
Oh, God. Oh, shit. It's all caught up in my braces, dude.
Throw some water in your face. Make it look like you're sweating.
Huh? I look like I'm sweating?
No. So throw some water on your face and make it look like you're sweating.
Oh. Oh, God, I'm so...
I actually heard that drinking water makes it worse. And you're supposed to drink milk.
I think we should wrap up the video, because I'm in a lot of pain.
No, you stop it.
Hit the button on the top.